Madam Chairman.
I hear, oh, Mr. Duncan, thank you.
Thank you, Madam Chairman. This is the simple issue of transparency. I think the American people deserve to know how their tax dollars are being spent, so I strongly believe in the need for more transparency in reporting standards. We have so many federal agencies that give foreign assistance, and both the American people and policymakers need a uniform standard by which to determine whether our foreign assistance is effective. I believe this amendment will help us better determine what programs are working, what programs need tweaking, and really what programs need to be cut out altogether. We're $14 trillion in debt, but part of the problem with foreign assistance is that American taxpayers do not have a way to monitor how federal agencies use the funds they receive from the government. It's difficult to know exactly where the money is going and determine whether or not it is being used effectively in our national interest. Large percentages of U.S. foreign assistance are being used to pay administrative costs at organizations and companies who deliver U.S. foreign assistance. President Obama has said Western consultants and administrative costs end up gobbling up huge percentages of our aid overall. That was in a July 2nd, 2009 interview. And so I urge the passage of this amendment, and let's give real transparency to the American people about how their tax dollars are being spent. I yield back.